Before the boot camp, I worked in higher education for about 8.5 years. And while I loved working with students and their parents and families and everything, the work had just become really boring to me. It was the same thing over and over and over again. And I just knew I needed something different. I had gotten so burned out and just knew I needed to make a change. I had so much support from my family and my husband in particular. It was very intense, you know. On the first day during warm-ups, I cried. And bless Jason's heart, he encouraged me and was just like, it's okay, this happens, and just kind of made me feel better about the whole situation. And I remember I wrote down on my notebook every day what day of the program it was, and I just remember looking down, and we were 30 days in, and then we were 60 days in, and then we were preparing for demo day, and so it just went really quickly. It was tough being a mom in the program. We just knew it was something I needed to do, and so we made it work, and I knew that things were going to be better when it was over, so that's kind of what helped me sort of push through the really hard times. So if someone's interested in it, go for it. I felt like the instructors that we had were so encouraging, and it never, being a woman or a man or however you identify, was never an issue. I could not be happier with the way things have turned out. I'm happier at home, I'm happier at work. Sometimes I go home and work on things just to keep learning, and that previously was not how things were going. So I really feel like I have found something that I'm passionate about and that just keeps me interested all the time. I wasn't happy in what I was doing, and life is too short to be unhappy. So figure out what is going to put you in the best position possible and do your best to get there. So it's been life-changing. I'm Mayme Clayton, and I'm a graduate of the Awesome Inc. Bootcamp.